Good morning and welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's today I'm going to Siliguri again to see of my brother. So yesterday was last day of my brother. So he was here for like few days of holiday. Now he's returning back. So I'm going to see him off. So today we are going to spend 3-4 hours at Siliguri, and after that I'll see him off and I'll return back. So I'll show you around. So if you're new to my vlog, kindly do like, share and subscribe. And if you are already my existing follower or subscriber, then please keep showing love, keep liking my videos, leaving comments and sharing. Thank you everyone. बने रहिएगा. नहीं जकार्ता आर्मी वापस जा रहा है. हाँ road is very bumpy. तो पहुंच गए, अब जा रहे हैं. तो जाने वाला है वो. So troubling, as if she's a shambling. In the lesser chick, in a dozen around Kaga. I'm not our Kama shadow, in my yodi shalab. It's an angle chikula, the chiku, then I give a do. Kyotam Lale do chick, Kyonyam do the digit. Mount Bega Jamarin, and some manual. Mama, you kiss him, dear magic. Boom around Galega. Kyodum like a moma, don't want it, they are the 빼고간 라보지들 야심하시 밑에디긴 내게 버치시디게 다른 개념 두개 주제 카드라시 드럼의 킬러 군에서 디자 니랑 나랑 아니 락번 주니더 대체 생연매 내랑 아니 투면더 딱하지마 돌아내 쌤디 뒤라 쇼 문에 쇼 구생기 테마 롱타무 캐서 신나기 매도한 금센치 됐어 pomoki tumdi nala Pumai bego ta 몰라 찾아 미세냐 부게고 마치 우리 싸우니마 기분도 좋대 쌤기 나서 일름 좋다 믿고 부족해 저 어디 나라 얘기 저 참을래
오늘로써 이게 2-3일에 Kiss on, kiss on, kiss on 어두운 길은 이렇게 super kiss on 우리 시선, 시선, 시선 엉킬러가는 너를 대문직던 시선 들이마도 하는 얘기도 나 대체돼 참 습습길하게 기빼고 갈라보지들 야심 마시 밑에 디긴 운행엔 버치슈디게 다리 개념 두개 다둥켜있는 이발 기대동대 사계에서 내가 뒤뜨각보가 되지 내가 내겨 나다가 떠마가 나 필제 계기 조달해 Okay, 육골로 삼는 때 네가 우리와 캡셔돼서 네게 미친디나 네게 산불링 큐기 믹나
डॉक्टर पे रुका है चाय वाय नींद लगा now we are going So we left home around 6:37. So like उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट भी करने को नहीं मिला था. So अभी ब्रेकफास्ट यही भी करते हैं. I have ordered आलू का पराठा and omelette. For me coffee and for my brother tea. He doesn't like to have coffee. So that's why. Did you notice that I have like my both eyebrows are like different? This is not that thick, but this is very thick. Totally different, right? See, my skin is glowing now. I've been using those some skincare product like for a week and a half, I guess now. I can see the result. It's working quite nice. Earlier I had a lot of pores and now it is like slowly vanishing. My skin is slowly becoming super califragilisticexpialidocious. So now I'll show you once I get my breakfast. He's also coming. We're going to get freshen up. No, he's coming. Here he is. Kajne? This is dahi, omelette, paratha and chola. छोटा सा मोबाइल पराठा कॉफी Pudina chutney is very good. 이제 어디 돼? 맞아 봐. 또 폴리스 해야지. 니 렌즈 산대. 이거는 못 잡아. 잘했다 뭐 어떻게 좀 밀려. 장나? 이거 지금 내가 잘 못했다 여기 너.
그러면 되네. 밑에 다 죽은 거지.
야 귀엽네. 이거 손을 뒤집당겨
당신 같은 거.
근데 돼.
One eternity later.
어디라?
पहुंच गए में सीधा ओडी थोड़ा गर्म है यहाँ पहुंच गए फिर H&M को मैं लास्ट टाइम एक पैन देखा था भाई वो फिर से लेगा बोला है एंड गैस व्हाट आज खाना खाते टाइम मी बीइंग क्लमजी क्या हुआ दिखाता हूँ मैंने अपने कपड़े के ऊपर वो पुदीना वाला चटनी गिरा दिया अब ये दाग जाने वाला नहीं है I came wearing this now I'm changing into something else I have changed into this so I have changed Tokyo Ridge railway station प्लेटफॉर्म की तरफ जा रहे हैं ट्रेन भी पहुंच गया B10 B10 is here the seat numbering 1 already feeling sad I have like my brother. Now he's returning back. So I guess we are again gonna see each other again in the month of December, I hope. If not, then next year. So with heavy heart, I say bye to him. Gonna miss him. And like a lot of time we brothers like never share each other's feeling. It's very like weird to share feeling, so that's why we never do, but we have a lot of feeling for each other. So that's it. फाइनली बैक टू दार्जिलिंग। ऐसा लगता है ना भगवान ने जब दुनिया बनाया था दार्जिलिंग का एसी ऑन करके ऑफ करना भूल गया था, इसलिए हमेशा यहाँ पे ठंडा रहता है। लाइक हमेशा नीचे इतना गर्म था, लाइक पूरा फुलसी हो गया था मेरा, लाइक बॉडी में भी पूरा वो पिंपल्स काइंड ऑफ निकल रहा था गर्मी से। लेकिन यहाँ आते पूरा ठंडा चीज़, सो मज़ा सा गाइस।